Got a Shelter Logic pet shelter that we're going to use for our chickens. I ordered it on Amazon. If I can remember the person who recommended it to me, there was a woman with chickens that recommended it, and I'll leave a link to her video because she has an affiliate link which I used to be able to purchase this and get a discount. Ralph Man's Outdoors. We had, like a week of 70s here in March in Alabama, and now it has turned into 40s with about a 30-mile-an-hour wind. For us in the south, that's cold. I know that our friends to the north and those in Canada that are watching, that's nothing to you. But when you're used to lows, 40 degrees, calm winds, that's winter. This is cold. But I'm out in the driveway and I want to go ahead and try and set this up. It's supposed to be very easy, and so it's getting late, but hey, it's supposed to be easy. Let's find out. Well, the instructions are just pictures. So it says it takes one person, plus or minus 15 minutes. We've got the different tubing. We're supposed to put it together like that. Let's see what happens. That was a little bit of a challenge, but based on the drawings, I started out wrong, but I think I've got it put together correctly. And now let's put the legs on it. This is going to be the top, and hopefully this is going to go together a little bit faster. All right. It says to turn it upright. It doesn't say that, but the diagram shows that. So shows that those go in that way, but that was a tight fit. That went well. It's supposed to be easy. Let's find out. That wouldn't, it's not too bad, but on a windy day, that doesn't help. Looks like I've got it too tight on that end. I've got to loosen it so we can get this side put in. That's not gonna work. That was more operator error. I didn't have the top poles shoved all the way in. Once I did that, zipped up perfect. So let's get the sides and we'll be done. Done. Well, I said done, but I actually didn't take it over that outside post. I've got to fix that side. We'll try that again. Well, it finally is put together. Found out the problem is some of the poles didn't slide far enough in, and I had to really squeeze from front to back to get them to go in a little bit tighter. But once I did that, this is on tight. You have a nice protective covering here for your chickens, your turkeys. I guess this could be used for dogs and other things, but we're going to use it for chickens and turkeys. And they can still see out of it for protection, but it gives them cover from rain and also shade during the hot summer days. We do have some stakes that you can hammer down into the feet. There are holes there. Annie's wanting to get in the show, but you can hammer those down into the ground. There are other stake options as well, but I'll probably just do this, see how it handles the wind. Ralph, man, quite honestly, took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but part of that was operator error. That's on me. But now it's together. We just need to move it to the chicken coop and get it staked down. I didn't really know how else to get it to the chicken coop, so I've got it on the back of the Ranger. I'll hang on to the front and let's drive to the coop and set it up. We've got it down here in the chicken run, and I'm just going to put these spikes down in each of the feet and see if it'll hold it against the wind. The spikes do have holes, so if you need to tie it down for more strength, you can do that. But we've got this one set. We'll give it a day or two and see what the chickens think about it. Ralph Man down here in the chicken coop. If you found anything helpful, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, God bless. A lot of the chickens are underneath their shade. Looky there. I think they like the shade.